Alright, so in this video I'll be showing you how you can remove background from your images. Alright, how do you remove background from your images using your phone? There are a lot of websites with which you can remove background from your images, but for the sake of this class I will just bring out two top websites. Okay, number one is remove.bg. all right, remove.bg. Another one is slaza.com. You can see the write-up on the screen, slaza.com. Now let me show you how you can remove background from your images using these two websites. All right, now you just head to your browser. You can be using any browser, but I'm using Google Chrome. Okay, so I come to my Google Chrome and I'm just going to type remove.bg. okay, remove.bg. all right, remove.bg. okay, so let me show you the spelling. This is remove.bg. I am on desktop mode, so that is why it is showing like this. Okay, so all I need to do, I will just come to upload image. All right, as soon as I click on upload image, it takes me directly to where? To my browse, to my gallery. Okay, so let's just select an image I want to remove the background. So I will just randomly select. Okay, let me select this one. All right, and automatically it will remove the background for me. So you wait for it for some seconds. Now you can see that the background of this particular image has been removed. All right, so you allow it to load, go through the process. Okay, you allow it to go through the process. Now you can see that the image has already been removed. So what you do, just come here, click on download. Can you see download? Good. Click on it and it's going to show you ways you can download. You use this free. All right, free. So you click on free and it downloads automatically into your gallery. So let's open it up. Look at, you should file downloaded, open. So you click on open. It's already in my gallery. So this is the image with the background removed that is in my gallery. But let's go to my gallery. This is my gallery. Let me open it. You can see this is the image with the background being removed. So thank you and God bless. So you can also use the same method on slaza.com. It's the same process. Either you use remove.bg or you use slaza.com. all right, but let me just head back to my browser and try the slaza.com. okay, because it's not everybody that will know how to navigate or use. So you use slaza.com. okay, make sure the spelling is correct, slaza.com. so you go through the process, you click on upload image. As soon as you click on upload image, so let's remove this one, you said it takes you directly to your gallery and it uploads your image to. Okay, let's select it again. Let's select it again. So it will give you some sec to remove your, yeah, it has automatically removed. So all you need to do, click on download. Look, it's download. Okay, you download it and you use the free and it will be downloaded to your what, to your gallery. So this is basically how you can remove background images, remove your background from your images using these two website. All right, so thank you and God bless you.